Ja, man halt schon du bei Brick, New Jersey. Guys, I'm here with my friend Isaac Greenwald.
Prime, nice to meet you.
Same here. He just partnered up with this, tell us the name, Imagination.
So I recently partnered up with Dr. Young with Imagination Orthodontics. He's been a doctor here for approximately 25 years, specializes in sleep apnea, orthodontics for children and adults. I recently, partnered up as helping him, making a good experience for the patients and for, bringing in the community since it's near Lakewood, Tom's River, no traffic, good parking, you got all that, which, these days it gets a little hectic. So let me take you guys around. So, Frame, this is our waiting room. You see over here we have coffee, we have a water and coffee, and then we also have some Legos the kids could play with over here. While they wait, but again, generally, like I mentioned earlier, our waiting time is usually quick, in and out. The whole experience is supposed to be in and out. We don't like for our patients to wait around. Let
me ask you a quick question. The first question everybody's asking is, which insurances are you accepting?
So we accept all insurances, all major insurances. We also accept Medicaid, and we also accept, pretty much any insurances.
That's a breakthrough.
If you qualify.
Wow, I like this price center.
So we have like a points thing for the kids. So we have different, different points, different raffles. We have like a points card that we give out. So each kid gets a points card.
What's like a program?
Yeah, something like that. Similar, very similar, not too far off. And then again, they have good report cards. They get, points and stuff like that. And then.
Wat zeg je? De mistegaraar and homeworks and zaken?
Yes.
Keep it.
No, we have actually. That's part of the point system. Yes. That's how it works. No, how does it work? The point system. Oh, you see? Look, there you go.
Very nice. Wow.
So let me take you to meet Dr. Young, and he'll give a little bit more of what we do here and all that. All right, Brian. So let me introduce you to my partner, Dr. Young, over here. I'll let us share over a little bit of information of what we do.
Good morning. My name is Dr. Young from Imagination Orthodontics, formerly Braces at Brick. We're located on Cedar Bridge Avenue on the Brick Lakewood border. I've been practicing actually in the Brick Lakewood area for about 25 years now, treating patients for orthodontics, Invisalign, and we also specialize in dental sleep medicine, which is the treatment of patients with sleep apnea that cannot wear or use CPAPs, which is very, very common these days. Sleep apnea is a big issue in the community with mostly people that have health problems and have been diagnosed with sleep apnea.
How do you treat that? That has to do with the teeth.
Right. Well, here's how we treat sleep apnea. Normally, sleep apnea is when someone stops breathing while they're sleeping. What happens is, in the back of the throat closes down. Air cannot get into the patient's lungs, so they stop breathing, and oxygen does not get to their body. Normally, treatment would be, and years ago, the main staple of treatment would be a CPAP machine, which is a breathing machine. But a lot of people have issues with that. It's hard to wear. It's uncomfortable. It falls off. So a lot of people have issues with that. And what that does is simply blows air in your lungs and makes sure you breathe. But it's very uncomfortable. What we do instead is we make a dental appliance which takes the patient's lower jaw while they sleep. It's kind of like a retainer, moves it forward in a forward position to keep the airway open instead of wearing a CPAP. I personally have sleep apnea. I have severe sleep apnea, and I've been wearing one for 7 years. And that's how I got into doing that, because I couldn't wear CPAP. I tried it, I hated it. So I had to, find a cure for myself, number one, which I did, and now I treat patients, hundreds of patients a year.
So, doctor, explain the people about orthodontics and
orthodontics and Invisalign is our bread and butter. That's what we've been doing for years here. We've been practicing it for 25 years. The beauty of our practice is we treat people with respect. If you call for a new patient examination, we get you in within a few days, if not the same day, if you want a new patient consultation, which is complimentary, by the way. As far as our patients that come here, instead of them waiting in the waiting room for an hour, like some offices we've heard in the area, we run on time. Our patients are in on time and out on time. So we value your time. As far as we like to treat children of all ages. We start treatment at age 7 sometimes. We like to evaluate young children to see if they have orthodontic needs and follow through till whenever. Invisalign is also a big part of our practice. A lot of people ask for that these days. Instead of traditional braces, Invisalign is a series of clear aligners that we use to straighten one's teeth.
All right, Isaac. Amazing how many good things you do in this place. So tell us, what's the address and what's the phone number to make an appointment?
Fran, thank you for coming. Address is 990 Cedar Bridge Avenue, Brick Township, New Jersey. Our phone number is 732-477-1808. Also, there's one more thing I would like to mention is that we also offer virtual consultations. If you, if you can't come down, you could always go online. We have an option to take photos, send them in, and the doctor could call you back within 24 hours and tell you what's needed for you, what service would be best for you, and then set up an appointment to come in.
Well,
all right, thank you, and have a great day.